This is a final video to fix Crusader Kings 3 crashing or not launching. Are you facing this problem right now and getting stuck every time you try to open a game? Many players deal with this because the game files get damaged, the graphic settings do not match their system, or background apps block the game from loading. Most guides on YouTube or social media make this even harder with long steps and confusing settings. Today on Rexist, I will share a simple trick that works fast and does not need any advanced knowledge. First, close the game and open your Steam library. Right-click Crusader Kings 3 and go to Properties. Now open Install Files and click the button that checks and repairs the game files. Let Steam finish the scan. This small step fixes most launch and crash issues because it replaces all broken or missing files. If the game still does not start, open your graphic settings and lower the resolution once. Then restart your PC and try again. This resets the game launch setup and stops most freeze or crash loops. I keep my method simple so anyone can follow it without stress. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for Crusader Kings 3, comment below and I will make it for you. Thank you for watching Rexist.